In this video, I'm going to show you the best invoicing software as a small business. So what I'm going to do in this video is simply show you the platform, and then finally, I'm also going to show you how you can actually use it and pretty much create your first invoice in just a few minutes. So keep watching for that. But the software that I want to show you guys in the video is called Freshbooks. So you want to go to their website and you'll see that there's a free trial available. So you can start a free trial. You don't have to use your credit card for that. After the free trial though, I want to show you the pricing. So there are a few different plans available. They've got the light plan, which is going to cost you $13.50 per month. And for that, you can get 5 billable clients. They also have the $22 one, $45, and then another one. Before that, you'll get custom pricing and you can request a demo. But on here, you'll find all of the features that come with that specific plan. So I'm not going to compare all of this since it really depends on the size of your business. However, for a small business, this one is probably the best one. 50 billable clients, which should be more than enough if you are a small business. 5 may be not enough in my opinion. Like 5, you're I would go with 50. Once you signed up, and by the way, I'm using the free trial right now for this new account so that I can show you guys how it works. Once again, free trial, click right there. So this is the free trial. So you can start off by simply adding clients so that you can then send those clients an invoice, right? What I'm going to do is click add client. What I'm going to do right now is simply fill in all of that info and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so I just came up with some random info. You of course want to make sure that you actually put in the right info from that client so that all of this makes sense. What you can do is send reminders for that specific client. So let's say that you want to send reminders 14 days after sending the invoice. You can set this at 14 days. For now, I'm just going to go with no since I don't want to do that. Once you're done setting up that new client, you're going to click on save and then you've just created your first ever client. There we go. So this is a new client. On here, you can then see how much money is overdue, total outstanding, and in draft as well. If I go back to my dashboard though, I'm going to go to add items and services. So if I click right there, I can add those so that you can also put that on the invoice. Create new. We'll go with a service, by the way. There we go. So the service might be, let's say it's video editing, right? Video editing for YouTube. You can then add taxes if you want to. Simply click right there and there we go. So right now it costs $0 or euros, which is not good. So you can add the price right there. Let's put that at 100 euros. If we then go back to our dashboard, we've just completed all these steps that we need in order to send an invoice. So right now I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually create your first invoice. So if you click right there, create an invoice, this will show you, send you over to this page where you can create it. So this already looks pretty good. It's a template, so you can customize all of it. Right there, you can add a line. I'm going to choose video editing. So that's why you need to add these services or items so that you can add them simply by clicking right there. Now you can then pretty much line up all the things that you've sold to that specific client. You can change the invoice number. So this is number 1 because I'm on a new test account. Right there, you can add your logo. I'm pretty sure that I do have the logo from my channel on here, which I'll just add for fun. Of course, you want to add your business logo. Let's open that. And there we go. It looks pretty cool, right? So this is pretty much how you can do it. You can then add that client right here. So I'm going to add that specific test client. And there we go. You've just created yourself a cool invoice that is actually pretty good. You can do this on the right hand side, so you can make it recurring. You can do the specific online payments that you accept. So if you accept online payments, you pretty much change that to no, and you can then connect all of these different payment options as well to make it even easier for the client to actually pay. You can add payment schedules. You can add notes. So what you would do here is please pay, or like send payment. I'm just going to make this up on the spot to, and then XYZ, pretty much your bank info, right? You can then add the terms and conditions. So let's say that you want them to be I mean, you want them to pay the money within like 14 days. You can then say, please pay money within 14 days after invoice, or whatever. And that's pretty much it. You can also add attachments, but once you're done, you can click send to, click send invoice. You can also preview it if you want to, so that you can see what that looks like. But if you click send invoice, you're going to send out that invoice to that specific client right there. And that's pretty much how you can use this. So it's actually pretty simple. If this simple video helps you out, and by the way, you can see all of it on here. If you scroll down, you get to see all of this stuff, which is great. So yeah, if this simple video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.